Yeah, welcome back to the channel. It's Matt and the Julio, your favorite junk haulers. And I told the Julio last night, come up with a video idea. And he showed up in the truck and it looked like he was smoking mota all night and drinking tall cans because he had no idea for a video.
Hey, typical Mexican.
He said he did it for the raza, I guess.
For my raza out there.
But anyways, we're gonna get some money, so stay tuned. Make sure you smash that like button. And we're heading out to the first job. We got 3 jobs on the schedule. And it's 3 repeat customers.
That's the best. Repeat customers are the best.
So we're heading on out. You ready?
Let's get it.
Saca la botella! I have no idea what the hell he just said, but anyways, let's get this money. Now, let's talk about repeat customers. Repeat customers keep me so busy. They are my bread and butter. Just last month, I made over $13,000 off my repeat customers. So every customer you meet, you want to treat them how you would treat your grandma. Because in the long run, they're going to keep your pockets fed and help grow your business. Now you want to see the find of the day? This is the best find we've found in a while. So job is complete, and that was some damn easy money, Julio.
Easy money, for sure.
So what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one right here, Julio?
I say 65. I'm going with my gut feeling.
65?
65.
I'm gonna say $57.50. That's pretty damn good,
That's
huh?
pretty.
So let's find out what happens, and guess what? There's still no junk haulers here. Haven't seen a junk hauler in a while, Julio.
We haven't.
Which is crazy.
I think yesterday we only saw, what, 2 throughout the whole day we worked?
I think so, yeah.
Man. At least we're still staying busy though, right?
All day, every day, baby. We getting money. So we're just gonna sit here and wait and yeah, figure out what we're gonna do about this video. Julio, you got any ideas yet or no?
Let me drink this bang first.
And look, he has a cotton candy one. He's a girly man.
Hey, it's the best one.
No, it is the best one. Just so you guys know, the cotton candy bangs are off the hook. They are delicious.
Shout out to Bang. If you guys ever need us to advertise, let us know. This is not sponsored right now, though, by the way. Bang, Bang. Matt's on Bang. I'm on Bang. My director's on Bang. Wait, that's Matt. I'm sorry. We're all on Bang.
We're on Bang. He's on Bang. I'm on Bang. We're on Bang.
Bang,
But we
bang.
don't gang bang. So we're still over here waiting in the dump line, doing what we do. So we got a new cover winner on Facebook. And Julio, who is it?
It's a Northwest Junk Hauling and Junk Removal.
And I'm not sure where they're at, but check out their truck and trailer. It's pretty badass. So check it out. It was 700 pounds and the Julio's choking on a now. It was 47.50. I'm just playing. He's drinking agua. So I was off by $10, Julio. See, there's a reason why I put the 50 in there. You see that? So we're heading to the next job, and here's the tip of the day. If you look like a Mexican or you are a Mexican, let's say you're in a customer's house, you're moving a couch, and you knock over a lamp, and the customer starts cussing you out. Julio, what do?
You know, habla inglés. 555, blame the güero.
And I'm the racist one. Julio, what the hell you drinking on? Is that vodka?
No, it's tequila.
What? So here's the next job of the day, and we got about 3/4 of a load, and this is a repeat customer that used me twice this month already. Now, just like that, job is complete, and me and the Julio got a $20 tip each. Now I got a question for you subscribers out there. When you're not hauling junk, what do you do? Me personally, I like to go fishing and hunting. And the Julio, he has a third job. He works at Chippendales. And what's your stage name?
They call me Papi Chulo.
When he's not throwing trash, he's swinging junk. Wow. But on a realer note, though, the Julio has a question for you.
For all you subscribers out there or haulers out there, what was your guys' main job before you guys became an actual hauler full time? Leave a comment down below to let us know what you guys did before you guys started your guys' business.
I worked at Safeway. I was frying chicken, making sandwiches as a grown man.
Yeah, I work at Memorial Hospital. I'm still there, but I'm going to be starting this full time hopefully by next year. I'm excited as heck though.
So leave a comment down below. Let us know what you guys do. Now, Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
I say 55.
55?
With 75 cents.
75 cents? I'm going to say $56. So let's see what happens. So look who won, Mr. Dirty Sanchez. You better hang that on the wall at your house.
I'm 1 for 1 today.
It was only $33.
20, I think like $20 off, almost 25, 22.
He needs to work on his math for real. So we're heading to the next one. It's for a property manager, and it's in Sonoma County. Actually, Sonoma City, I mean.
Sonoma City?
I think Sonoma. Something like that. No, it's in the city of Sonoma, so we're like 10 minutes away. You ready or what?
Let's get it.
Let's head on out. And just so you know, I've been sober for 6 years, and Julio's been sober for about 4 hours. So we're not drunk, just so you know. Now we're heading to the next one. You ready or what?
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Correction, I've only been sober for 8 hours, not 4.
So we're at the next job of the day, and you want to start a trash business. Some jobs are just horrible. How bad is this one, Julio?
Honestly, I think this is the worst job that I've seen when working with you, because it's pretty freaking bad, to be honest with you. There's stuff everywhere.
There's beer bottles, maggots, roaches, all kinds of stuff. So we have this pile right here, and then there's some more stuff upstairs, which we'll be able to throw off of that balcony into the dump truck. So I'm gonna show you guys the job. Check it out. And remember, the concrete is stained. We're not taking that. Now, one of the most important things in this line of business is you want to know where your business is coming from. Was it off of a Yelp hit? Was it from a Facebook boost? Was it a Google search? Was it some bandit signs you threw up? Was it some door hangers you passed out? Was it a candy dish with some business cards you dropped off at the real estate offices? You want to know exactly where the business is coming from and keep doing it. So now the fun begins. just like that, we're done for the day. And Julio, how was that? Oh my goodness, are you serious right now?
Oh man, I tried to take a 5-minute power nap, dude. My bad.
So what do you want them to do, Julio?
Like and subscribe and give us thumbs up on these videos.
And we'll catch you guys on the next one. And remember, don't be a lazy sack of get your money. And if jobs aren't coming in, get off that couch, put your soda down, and go out there and get them. We'll catch you guys on the next one. We love all you guys.